I could put anything in the work vending machine at the AKA team, it would be a line of credit.
Oh, if I could put one thing in the work vending machine, this is an easy answer, it would be a Starbucks skinny vanilla latte.
There's chocolate there, so my two favorite foods in the world are ice cream and chocolate, so we have chocolate in there, but if we could put maybe containers of Ben and Jerry's or something, but that would be good.
Oh, peppermint lifesavers. Instead, I have a big bowl in my office.
Lose 5 pounds instantly without working out. But I would say for women, one thing I would put in there would be an instant way to relax. I think we get so stressed out and tied up with work, we forget how to actually relax. So that would be something good in a vending machine.
I would definitely put a daily dose of encouragement. I think the world has become a very impersonal place. We've developed a lot of wonderful technology for speed of delivery and efficiency, but we've really lost that one-on-one communication and that ability to connect, especially with our younger generation.
Oh, I would love Indian food, so I miss that a lot. So, generally ready-made Indian food would be great.
I think it's probably going to be more chocolate. I love chocolate, so anything that has chocolate in it, when I get that craving at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, anything with chocolate would be just fine.
If I were to put something in our work vending machine, it would be really strong, bold coffee.
USB drives.
I think if I could put anything in the vending machine at work, it would probably be maybe a drink that had passion and courage. Because I think leaders and anyone who's in an institution and a responsible manager has to have passion about the people that you serve, and you have to have courage about decision making. And sometimes in the middle of the day, it would be nice to be able to get a quick fix of that as you launch into something that requires those characteristics.
Actually, going to work is like a giant vending machine with all my favorite stuff. It's got guacamole, salsa, margaritas, green juices, veggie burritos, pad thai. If I had to choose something to complete that, maybe dark chocolate pistachio biscotti.
I would go for vacation salads, and I'll tell you why. Like I said, in my job, it's very hectic. We do a lot of work, and I just think that sometimes we need a getaway. So I would have a vending machine with vacation salads.